What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Dreamer from GotBetterBeats.com, and I'm here with a pretty special video. I have an unboxing video. And if you like me, beat maker and on the go, I've made beats with iPad, laptop. It always helps to have a MIDI keyboard because clicking notes, I mean, it's cool, but I'm not as fast as some of the mouse clickers when it comes to the MIDI editor. So sometimes get my ideas out, I'm just used to playing it on the keys. So I haven't heard a lot about this company. It's Synido or Synido, and they have the Tempo key K25. And right now I'm just gonna unbox it just to see what we have inside the box and just kind of give you guys some initial review on what's available inside the box. Let me get something to pop this open real quick. And it came through Amazon, as you can see. They put a big Amazon sticker on it. I couldn't take it off because it says void. So I guess that's Amazon's way of, you know, letting me know that it's tampered with. But so it didn't really help for the unboxing because, you know, Amazon has their okay. All right, so when you open the box, the first thing you see is the user manual. Hope that is in focus. And also they have a diagram of the connections, which I like. Just kind of letting you know, looks like there's 3 different ways to connect it. You can connect it straight to your computer. You can connect it to a hardware synthesizer, and you can also connect it to your phone. So, oh, okay, I'm kind of digging this. So, as soon as I open it up, looks like we have a padded keyboard case with the strap. And man, and honestly, this right here is a step in the right direction already, because when you're thinking portable, you want a way to protect your stuff. I mean, I know a lot of times they say, you know, you could just shove everything in a bag, but if you're dealing with knobs and different things like that, you want a proper padding. So, especially if you like me, I mean, I like to take care of my studio stuff. So, pretty dope bag. It would have been nice if it was a little more subtle. I mean, everybody kind of knows, you know, what you're carrying at this point, but I guess nice marketing. So let's get this unzipped and see what we have inside. A extremely dope USB to USB-A cable with a leather strap, and it's a nice cable. And there's a power adapter to USB. So I'm wondering if this doesn't power strictly off USB. If it does not, that would definitely kind of let me down just a little bit. Looks like we have a 5-pin MIDI cable to a 3.5 adapter, which is cool that they would include this. A lot of companies, if they have those conversions, it's normally a different purchase. Do we have anything else? Oh, microfiber cleaning cloth. Make sure, hopefully that is in focus. And just a white cloth with the branding on it. And I think that's everything. And there's a pocket inside of the case as well, so you can actually separate the wires from. But here's another look at that bag. And it's Synido or Synido. So it comes wrapped up in the branded plastic as well. And it's almost like a translucent purple, which is kind of dope. So, and on the back side, we have the DC 5-volt, and I'm hoping that you know, like if you have it hooked up to your computer, you don't have to use that, because that's just another, you know, USB port that you have to find or to plug up. You have the MIDI out for the adapter, and you also have a sustain pedal, which you normally don't find on, you know, keyboards this size. So, and the pads are, they're a little small. You know, I'm just tapping on the different pads that I do have. They, you know, they're not going to be like the, you know, the MPC style pads, and I'm not going to know until I play them. So, and it looks like it has like a little small screen on there. I have to plug that up. And today we're just gonna do the unboxing. But the buttons and everything feel really solid. And these keys, they are pretty decent. And the reason why I say they are decent, they are very good for this price point. I think this the K25, the Tempo key is $99. So it's a real good value. And it also has this rubber strip going all the way across. That way, you know, the 4 small feet are cool, but you know, if one comes off and it's kind of uneven, so it's kind of cool that they actually went all the way. So I'm looking forward to the next video to see how well the knobs work, because as I understand that there is some software where you can actually program everything to, you know, how you want it. It also has a built-in arpeggiator. You know, also, you know, different octaves, transpose and different things like that. But as you can see that, you know, you can kind of hear, I don't know if you can hear that. That's actually really nice. I don't know if they have like the magnetic or like a nice spring, but that's actually pretty premium for this price point. And the knobs, a little wobbly, but with that, you know, with that case and everything, I think that we'll be in good hands. But the buttons and everything feel pretty solid. So I can't wait to get this thing plugged up, hear how it sounds. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this. The K25, the Tempo key by Synido, because I'm really thinking that it's going to be dope. So what I'm going to do is, in my next video, I'm going to move my Kai Advance, and I'm going to put this in this place, and we're going to put it through its paces, and we're going to really try to see what all this thing does, because I'm excited about the ARP, you know, and the note repeat, because if those work really well, I think we might have a really good mobile keyboard for beat making, you know, songwriting, all those different things. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. Let me know if you already have it or heard about it, tried it, and let me know what questions you have, and I will try to address those in the next video.